Hello everyone. In this episode of Smart Life, we'll cover the top 5 models available in the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, popularity, price, and more. I've included options for every type of buyer. So, if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. Please check the link in the description below for more details. Let's dive into the video.
In this video, we've put together 5 of the best hair streamer available on the market. Watch on to discover what each has to offer, how they differ, and which one will suit your needs most closely. So let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Easy Basics 2-in-1 Hair Streamer. Moisturize your scalp and prevent dandruff with the Easy Basics Hair and Facial Streamer. This hair streamer effectively prevents hair breakage and split ends. The inbuilt PTC ceramic heating element produces strong steam, making your hair shiny and healthy. You can also use this 2-in-1 hair and facial streamer to purify clogged pores of the skin and remove dead skin cells. The mist from the steamer penetrates the hair roots, making them smoother and stronger. The water tank should be filled with tap water or mineral water with sufficient water level. Number 2. Super Deal Pro 3-in-1 Hair Steamer. This 3-in-1 mini hair and facial steamer is an ideal product for home use. It is specially designed to treat dry, brittle, and damaged hair. This device has a powerful interior humidifier that helps moisturize each hair follicle. Its UV ozone function increases the vapor quantity for maximum effect. The 1.5 ultrafine mist produced by the ultrasonic atomizer gets easily absorbed by your hair. It improves the absorption of shampoos and conditioners, softens surfaces of skin to help remove dead skin, dirt, oil, and makeup remnant. It cleanses pores, exfoliates, and hydrates skin. Number 3. Secura S192 Hair Steamer. Moisturize and hydrate your hair with Secura S192 Hair Steamer. This portable hair steamer generates an ultrafine mist that gets easily absorbed by your hair. It improves the absorption of conditioners and other hair care treatments by your hair. The built-in ozone generator removes negatively charged oxygen that helps to reduce dandruff. With just 10 to 15 minutes of steaming with this device, your hair feels softer and silkier. The average of this product is that you can convert it into a tabletop facial steamer instantly. Number 4. Artist Hand Professional Hair Steamer. Artist Hand Professional Hair Steamer is an easy-to-assemble hair steamer. It has an adjustable timer that goes up to 60 minutes. Its temperature can also be adjusted with the high and low switches. Its swivel rolling base offers mobility to move it anywhere easily. It provides excellent air coverage for a smooth and even drying experience. Furthermore, it has a vented hood to adjust the steam level. Ultra-quiet operation so you can even read while drying your hair. It also has swivel rolling base to provide users of different sizes and add more mobility. Number 5. Q-Redu Handheld Hair Steamer. Q-Redu Handheld Hair Steamer is the perfect device for natural and curly hair. This patented hairstyling tool applies warm steam mist to moisturize, reshape, detangle, stretch, deep condition, and enhance the volume and texture of your hair in minutes. It uses water to create warm steam. The steam temporarily lifts the cuticles of your hair, allowing moisture to penetrate the hair strand. Enhance your deep conditioning session by adding steam to increase moisture absorption.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.